Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. Let's start with opening your contact list, then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick this one. Now let's tap on edit option in the right upper corner, this pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo so you can see how it will look like in your case. All we have to do is to tap on the circle or add picture option, and we've been transferred to 3 different sections. So we've got the illustrations, which are kind of pre-installed, so you can pick something from those options. They're really pretty. You've got Google Photos, which is your gallery, and the device photos, and here in this option you can either pick the gallery again or the camera, so your device will open the camera app and you can take the photo of him or her. So let me tap on the gallery, of course give all the permissions it needs, and for some reason I cannot see any photo. Alright, here we've got it, so let's find the photo and tap on it, and here in this step you can change the position of the photo, you can zoom it in or out. Simply position it in this highlighted circle, which is responsible for what you will see after saving the whole contact. So customize it like you want to, and then tap on choose. As you can see, it will immediately appear in the circle, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo has been applied. It will be also visible on the contact list, and for example during messaging with this number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.